Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share something very important with you. Many English learners understand English very well. However, when it comes to speaking, they start fumbling, struggling to find the right words or simply get stuck. Sometimes they are unable to generate and express their ideas clearly in front of others. So, in today's video, I would like to talk about 4 reasons why English learners struggle and get stuck while speaking. First, lack of speaking practice. According to me, the first and most important reason is lack of speaking practice. It doesn't matter how many podcasts you listen to throughout the day or how many English videos you watch on social media. If you don't actually practice speaking with others or by yourself, you won't get enough opportunities to express your thoughts and ideas in English. That's why speaking practice is extremely important. You may have a lot of ideas in your mind, but when you try to express them, you may find yourself struggling to put them into words. So don't just consume English, try to produce it as well. Second, chasing advanced vocabulary too early. The second reason is focusing too much on advanced vocabulary and idioms. As a beginner or intermediate learner, you don't need to chase advanced vocabulary all the time. Your first priority should be express yourself clearly using the English you already know. For example, you can start by describing the things around you in English. You can talk about your room, your daily routine, your family, your work, or anything else you see around you. Whenever you don't know the English words for something, look it up and learn it. And in this way, you can gradually add new words to your vocabulary and don't put too much pressure on yourself to learn advanced words and idioms. First, become comfortable with simple English. Third, lack of repetition and revision. Throughout my English speaking journey, I have noticed that no matter how many words or idioms we learn, we tend to forget them if we don't revise and use them regularly. So, if you want new words to become part of your active vocabulary, you need to use them while speaking and writing. Don't simply learn a word once and forget about it. Try to use it in different sentences and in different situations. The more you use the word will come naturally when you speak. However, I would still suggest that don't chase advanced vocabulary unnecessarily. Learn words that are useful and relevant to your everyday life. And the fourth point is practicing in the right direction. There is a famous saying, practice makes perfect. But I would say that practice alone does not enough. You need to practice in the right direction. Otherwise, you may end up repeating the same mistakes for months without realizing them. That's why proper guidance and regular self correction are extremely important. After speaking, take 5 to 10 minutes to think about the mistakes you made. But don't try to correct everything at once. Choose one or two mistakes, work on them, and then try speaking again. Gradually, you will find or you will notice that some of those mistakes start disappearing from your speech. So these are the 4 things I wanted to share with you. First, practice speaking. Second, don't chase advanced vocabulary too early. And third, revise and reuse the words you learned. And finally, make sure you are practicing in the right direction. And one more thing I would like to say is be patient with yourself. Learning a language takes time. You may face challenges along the way, but don't give up. If you want to improve your fluency and accuracy, stay consistent, practice regularly, learn from your previous mistakes, and keep moving forward. You don't need to speak perfect English. You just need to speak and you just need to keep improving. So thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video really helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you for watching this video.